Hey everyone, and welcome to our Market Advisor for February 2021. You know, the mission of our team is to help our clients use real estate to achieve their long-term personal and financial goals. And we use these videos to help update you on what the market is doing so that you can get further faster in real estate. And one of the things I love about real estate is it can be a great financial tool. For most people, it's the largest investment that they will make, but it doesn't come without risks. So in this month's video, TJ is going to start with an overview of what the market has done over the past few months. Reagan will walk us through what the market is doing right now, and then I'll come back and talk about what the market is going to do in the future and what you should consider if you're thinking about buying, selling, building, or investing in real estate.
Thanks, Tim. 2020 was a seller's market with the supply of homes remaining below what experts consider the healthy 3-month level, as it has been for the last few years. However, in some local areas, there was extremely low inventory, and other places seemingly more stable. Experts attribute this to people migrating out of the city to get more space. If you take a look at Washington, D.C.'s statistics over the past 3 years, you'll notice that the supply chart has remained fairly consistent from year to year. And this is because of the number of condos for sale, which right now have lower demand. But if you take a look at Northern Virginia, you see a dramatic decrease in the housing supply. And this is because people are migrating to areas where they can get larger houses with more space as they work and school from home. This low supply is causing housing prices to increase dramatically in the suburbs. In fact, throughout the US, the average home price is up almost 9%. Now also, the historically low interest rates are part of what is sparking this demand. Experts are predicting that rates could rise to around 3% in the coming months. Some may think this is a bad thing, but increasing rates are actually a sign that the economy is strengthening. Even with prices rising, these low interest rates continue to keep housing affordable. As you can see in this chart, which shows that even with increased prices, the affordability of housing is as good, if not better, than it has been over the past 4 years. And this continues to fuel our demand for housing.
Thanks, TJ. Now let's take a look at some local statistics. Check out this chart that shows the dramatic decrease of single-family detached homes for sale over the past 3 years, the red line, versus condos, the yellow line, which have actually increased. Now, 2019 was an extremely strong market for single-family homes, but 2020 was exceptional. We have not seen this low of number of homes for sale any time in recent history, and this is the first time we have seen the number of condos for sale equal the number of single-family homes in Northern Virginia. Now, you might think that the lower inventory means fewer sales, but 2020 was actually a record-breaking year for sales. And low inventory really means fewer homes are active for a sale at any given time. When homes are selling quickly, there are fewer homes for sale at the moment, but that does not mean that fewer homes are selling. And you can see here that 2020 actually had more listings come on the market and more homes sell than in 2019.
Thanks, Reagan. As you can see, DC, Maryland, and Northern Virginia real estate markets are all very strong right now. Inventory is low, but that's because homes are selling. Now, our team had a record year in 2020 with 96 homes sold, most of which had multiple offers. So we saw a lot of transactions, and we are very in tune with what you need to do to win a competitive offer. If you're a buyer right now, I'm going to recommend you be aggressive and lock down a home with a great rate if you can plan to live there for at least 5 years, preferably 10. Now, be prepared that you may need to escalate in your offer. You may need to remove some contingencies or conduct a home inspection before you write the offer, but we can walk you through that. There are several ways we can help you gain the advantage. Now, if you're a seller, now is a great time to sell in the sense that you will get a premium for your home, but you have to have a solid plan for where you're going to go next. We are seeing a lot of sales with rent backs, so you can get the money in your pocket from the closing and stay in your home while you find the next one. That puts you in a good position financially. Now, if you're thinking about building or investing, things are interesting because there is predicted to be a housing shortage over the next few years, but you have to be smart. That would be something we really need to talk about. Now, I've had multiple people ask recently if we think we're in a housing bubble. I want to be honest. Right now, I think it's possible that prices could go down if interest rates rise and the economy stumbles over the next few years. However, the government tends to keep interest rates low when there's economic uncertainty. So the bottom line is that now is not the time to buy for the short term. But if you plan to buy and hold on to it, you're going to get a great interest rate and you will probably pay less for that home in the long run. There's always a risk of waiting and losing out if prices go up, or there's a risk of jumping in and prices going down. But it's the same in the stock market, which is also concerning for me right now. And I want to address this. The stock market has doubled over the past 5 years and tripled over the past 10. Investors are not getting any returns by keeping their money in CDs or in the bank, so they're putting it to work in the market. However, stock price valuations are moving beyond traditional fundamentals most would consider healthy right now. There's a lot of speculation, especially in digital currency and tech stocks, so there's risk wherever you're going to invest. Now, I invest in real estate and I invest in stocks and mutual funds. If you have IRA, you probably invested in some way in stock market, or if you have extra savings, you're going to have to put that money somewhere. But each person's needs, goals, and risk tolerances are different. So we recommend you diversify and talk with someone you trust about your investments, but also talk to someone you trust about your real estate decisions, which are often equally as large. And we want to be the trusted advisor for your real estate needs. So if you ever have any questions or needs related to buying, selling, building, or investing in real estate, call us. We offer a free, no-fee consultation, no commitment, to discuss your goals and create a plan to help you achieve them through the use of real estate. We can also partner with your financial advisor to ensure that your real estate plan works with your investment plan. Listen, we are here for you whenever you need us. And more importantly, we work by referral. So we're only going to do what's in your best interest. And we hope that you know that you can trust us and that you can recommend the people you care about to us. We've grown our business 95% by referral and plan to continue to do it that way. So call us anytime. That's it for February, folks. I hope you have a great month, and we will see you in March if we don't hear from you before then. Take care.